Success is the result of habits, because you don't decide your future. You decide your habit, and your habit decide your future. In year 2016, Duke University has published a report which says that every person, out of their awake time, 40% time they spend which are automatic. 40% time is not the decision, but it is habitual, which means out of 16 hours you are awake in a day, 6 to 7 hour time you spend are the automatic, or these are the time are habitual. Habit is being formed by doing things again and again, repeatedly every single day. The reason of habit is being formed is related to energy, because when you do anything you need energy to perform those actions. But when you do few activity again and again and repeated, that is when brain want to save the energy by creating a neural path, so that when any trigger initiated for that particular activity, brain will take care of that, and activity will be formed automatically. Activity will be done automatically by subconscious mind. Every successful person has so many habits, but I learned 5 important habits which are very crucial, and most of the successful people follow those habits. The first one is the time management, because time is limited. Everyone can have more money, but they cannot have more time. Everyone can have maximum 24-hour time, but what they do in 24 hours, that what make difference to everyone. So successful people are very smart and very proper and particular in managing the time. They know how to manage the time. Successful people will never waste a second. They know how to utilize each and every minute, right? So this is the first habit. Second habit, that all the successful people have certain rituals. They follow certain rituals. Rituals to wake up every day, rituals to sleep, going to sleep on time. In morning when they wake up, what are the particular activity they are going to do? Could be exercise, meditation, affirmation, visualization, gratitude, prayers, or certain activity. But they follow certain rituals every day. Third habit is successful people have goal, and they are very focused for that particular goal. They have goal for the life. They have goal 10-year goals, 5-year, 1 year, quarter, month, week, daily, and every hour goal. Because Rome is not built in a day. It is built by what you do every hour, every day, every week, every month and year. So that is what successful people have goal, and they are very focused towards that goal. The next habit what successful people follow are, they are very good in some skills, some of the vital skill. Those skills could be public speaking, skill could be people management, marketing, sales. Some of the important skill they are very good into that, because skill is what required to become successful or to achieve result in particular thing. So they have some skill which they are very good into that. And the fifth habit which I would say is that successful people focus and have their net worth, because network is the net worth. All the successful people have their network of followers, network of vendor, supplier or promoter, or any kind of network, because network has the power. Nobody is so smart than the network what they have, right? So these are the 5 important habits what I learned and I want to follow. Hope This you will help you also about the habit of the successful people.